Hi, Veronica. Hopefully this will help in you being able to view your plan. I'm going to go over it in the planner, and then if you have any questions, we can make changes. So first thing, I'll just do a spin around view of the plan itself, and then we'll go cabinet by cabinet so you can see all the drawer interiors and the layout. And then after that, we can discuss any changes you want to make, and then hopefully this will help in being able to view the plan and finalize everything so you guys can get started. So first we're going to go through and spin around in the plan. So we'll show each wall. Sometimes it's hard to view when there's things in the way. I'll just give you a quick view. Okay. So I'm going to start here. Now, in order to keep the same distance on this wall that you have currently, we have a 36-inch frame, and this one here is a 30-inch frame, and then your 24-inch dishwasher. This keeps it at the same distance from this window that you currently have, that you expressed you wanted to keep that. Otherwise, if you wanted to make these the same size, you can make this a 36, and this would push it down 6 inches, and it would be symmetrical and a little bit more storage, but that's completely up to you. So the current drawer layout that we have on here, you have each of these are 3 drawers, small, medium, and large. So you have a 5-inch, a 10-inch, and a 15-inch. These 5-inch drawers on the top are considered cutlery drawers. And then they also have lots of inserts at IKEA as far as storing and organizing in these drawers. This one here is a 10-inch drawer front. It's good for, it's good for plates and Tupperware, things like that. And then these drawers on the bottom are 15 inches high. So this is 15 by 36. This is a really big drawer. It's good for pots and pans, small appliances, things like that. So this drawer and the 30-inch drawer next to it have the same layout as far as the drawer configuration. And both of those can change. One can change. We're going to do all the base cabinets first, and then we'll go through and look at the uppers. So this is your sink cabinet. It's a 36-inch sink cabinet with one large basin. So it's just double doors on here. You can do a pull-out on these, but because of the size of the cabinet, they become pretty flimsy. So we suggest to not do that and to do the doors. So just keeping that in mind. This one here is a pull-out. It's a 15-inch pull-out for recycling or trash. So it's one drawer connected and the whole thing pulls out. And then this one, because of your limited space and because of the corner, Lazy Susan, this is actually a 12-inch, just a door with shelves. These shelves can be removed and you can use this for storage or cookie sheets or cutting boards, upright things like that. Otherwise, we can make this one larger cabinet. So just keep that in mind. This unit here is a corner unit with a Lazy Susan. So the door swings out and this whole unit will swivel around so you can access that whole corner. And then next to your stove, this is a 3-drawer, 18-inch wide unit. This has 3 exterior drawers, 10 inches tall each, and then 1 interior cutlery drawer. So this breaks the top drawer in half, so you really have 4 total drawers. So the top are each a cutlery drawer. It's a good place for cooking utensils, knives, or spices as well. So that's an option. For this, we can, again, reconfigure any of these cabinet drawer layouts. And then on the end over here, we have your pantry. This one is a double door with interior drawers. There are other options for your pantry. You can do exterior drawers and doors that open up with drawers inside. You can just do shelves. So there's all kinds of options. So you can also change the configuration of the interior shelves or take them out, reduce the number of them. There's lots of options and that as well. So above your fridge, so this pantry is 24 inches deep and 18 inches wide, and then this fridge cabinet is 24 inches deep as well. So those both line up, and then you have a cover panel here that goes all the way to the floor. So it builds in the fridge and then this pantry, so it gives it a built-in look. This unit here is just an 18-inch shelf unit. This one here is a 12-inch wide cabinet. Keep in mind that the 12-inch is the narrowest that IKEA makes. So with that, if you were to give a little bit of extra space on either side of these, we'd have to figure out another solution for this or just remove it altogether. This one here is a corner unit with a Lazy Susan inside. And then this cabinet, this is a nice big 36-inch cabinet. So you can see this is a good example of how, I'm going to switch to this view. The cabinets themselves have the white interior. You can see the box here. And then the whole thing is wrapped. You have the trim on the top and the bottom. And then you also have the cover panel on the side. So it covers the whole box. So you wouldn't see that white. You would have trim on this piece here. For whatever reason, the planning software doesn't include it, but I just want to let you know that it would be included. Let's go over to this other wall. So on this wall over here, these are each 21-inch cabinets. The reason for this spacing is when I talked to IKEA, they said the new open shelving that they're going to have is 24 inches. So that is this spacing here. We can change this to be cabinets all the way across. We can take them out altogether. So just keep that in mind. And then again, these are just shelves inside on both of these. So hopefully this was helpful in being able to view the plan. Let me know if you have any questions or you want to make any changes. And I'd be happy to take a look at those for you so we can get this finalized so you can go ahead and move forward with your remodel. So let me know and we will go from there. Thank you.